Airline security just got stricter, and travelers need to be prepared. The TSA is rolling out major changes in 2025, tightening carry-on rules, increasing screening protocols, and adjusting ID requirements. Ignoring these updates could mean missed flights, hefty fines, or even denied boarding. The first major change affects carry-on liquids. The long-standing 3.4-ounce limit remains, but stricter enforcement means all liquids must be in TSA-approved transparent bags, with random secondary screenings at checkpoints. Security screenings are also evolving with new AI-powered scanners. These machines allow passengers to keep electronics and liquids inside their bags, but will flag any irregularities with greater accuracy. Additional manual checks may follow, increasing wait times for those with cluttered carry-ons. Travelers flying domestically must also comply with Real ID enforcement, which is now mandatory at all United States airports. A standard driver's license will no longer be enough for boarding. Passengers without a Real ID, passport, or other TSA-approved identification will be turned away. International travelers face tighter biometric screenings, with facial recognition becoming the default ID verification process. Some airports are eliminating physical boarding passes, requiring travelers to scan their faces at security and gate checkpoints. Frequent flyers and TSA PreCheck members should also be aware of random enhanced screenings, even for those with expedited clearance. TSA is increasing its use of hand swabs for explosive residue detection, even in PreCheck lanes. With these new rules in place, travelers must prepare in advance to avoid delays. Ensure all IDs are compliant, pack carry-on strategically, and allow extra time for security. Airlines and TSA aren't offering much flexibility, so staying updated is key to a smooth trip in 2025.